How to change country in Google Play Store. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. This is useful if you've moved to a new country or want access to apps available in a different region. Keep in mind that changing your country may affect your payment methods and app availability. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on General to expand the options. Then choose Account and Device Preferences. Here, scroll down until you see the Country and Profiles section. If you are in a different country and Google Play recognizes it, you'll see an option to switch to that country. Tap on the New Country option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be required to add a payment method from the new country to complete the switch. Once you've added a valid payment method, confirm your selection. Keep in mind that Google allows you to change your Play Store country only once per year, and switching may affect app availability, payment options, and subscriptions. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your country in the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.